G'day, I'm here with Mark Reggers here from 3M, application engineer. G'day, Mark.
G'day, thank you for having me.
So I can see we've got a great range of earmuffs here. I mean, you know, apart from just picking them up and putting them on my head, which is not too hard to do, what are some of the things I need to look about? I wear them every day.
Certainly, so a couple of things. They're not too complicated, but certainly when you're putting them on your ear, we want to make sure that, you know, maybe you've got longer hair, that hair isn't getting in the way of the
Major
seal.
problem for me, as you know.
I can certainly see. I didn't want to make too much
Thank
of a
you very
comment on there. Certainly, I've got prescription glasses, or people may be wearing safety glasses. So having an appreciation on the attenuation and the impact that will be happening if we're wearing them with safety glasses. But like, there isn't too much to them. We want to put them on. We can adjust them. We want to make sure they're covering our ear canal.
Yep.
Sitting flush on our head there. These are our X5 series, so I don't know if you're talking to me right now because I can't really hear too much, but certainly it's doing the job very well.
I didn't say anything.
What was that?
Nothing.
Fantastic. But certainly we have different styles. So this is an over-the-head style. We have a neckband style here, and hopefully you can see we've got a cap attach style there. Many workplaces require hard hats as well as earmuffs. So different types of attachment types for different workplaces.
Sure. So tell me, like, I'm wearing these every day. Is there anything I need to do, you know, service them? Do I need to check them? Or is there anything I should be aware of?
Certainly. I mean, they're not too complicated, but certainly when we talk about our pads,
Yep.
these are incredibly important to maintain that seal. So think of it over time. If you're wearing it every single day, you're going to have that perspiration. It's going to be breaking that down. So say 6 monthly, it's a really great idea to change these over.
So they're serviceable?
Yeah, you change the hygiene kit and the foam on the inside. Making sure they also, when you finish with them, giving them a chance to dry out. I've certainly seen some mouldy earmuffs in my time, unfortunately, for people sort of not letting them dry out. But there's not too much to them. You look after them, they'll look after you.
Thanks very much, Mark. Well, I've learned a lot today about earmuffs and hearing protection. 3M in Motion are very committed to your safety. If you'd like to know more about the hearing protection from 3M, contact one of your team members at your nearest Motion Australia branch.